Hello friends, I'm your host Rakesh from Digital World Tech Solution. Welcome you to my channel. Today I have brought something very special for you guys that can be very helpful to your tally business. Before starting the session, I would like you to request please go to our YouTube channel and please subscribe for the new and latest update regarding tally free TDLs. So guys, without wasting time, let's discuss about today's free TDL. Guys, as we know, Tally ERP9 and TallyPrime is very good accounting tool for our business operations, right? Tally provides us various reports regarding sale, purchase, accounting, inventory, stock summary, and so on, right? So apart from the above discussed reports, today I have brought you two very amazing reports in Tally that can be very helpful in your Tally business. The first report is Deactivate Unused Ledger report. So guys, what is the meaning of deactivate ledgers? So if I take the example, as suppose you have 1 year, 2 year old company, right? And you have some customer ledgers, some vendor ledgers, maybe some sales accounts, some VAT account like GST accounts, and you don't want to use those accounts again, right? Maybe the business is finished with those particular customers or vendors, right? And you just want to deactivate those particular ledgers. So you guys, so I have prepared one report that can deactivate your customer, vendor, and other ledgers, and it will not be available in your selection list when you're going to make in transactions. And in the same way, I'll prepare in the same list that will display the deactivated master ledger reports, and if you want, on some time it will be available to show you that which particular ledger is deactivated, and you can activate again if you want to use it again. In the same way, second report belongs to item ledger report that will provide you the deactivated item masters in your Tally accounting software. In the same way, if you want to enable those particular item master what you deactivated last time, what you're not going to use in Tally, if you want to activate again, that you will be able to activate again. So without wasting our time, let's go to our today's demonstration. So guys, first of all, I'll go to my Tally and I'll show you something. As suppose if I go to my accounting information here, and if I have some ledgers, I'll show you the list. As suppose I have so many ledgers, right? As suppose this Al-Fateh tools, I want to deactivate this ledger. So what I will do, I have to simply just activate my TDL. So what I will do, I'll simply go to my TDL here. I'll go to ledger activity deactivation report here, security tab, just copy the path from here, Control C, go to Tally, press Control Alt T, press F4 here, and please paste your path here, enter. So guys, the TDL is loaded in my system. What I have to do next? If you can see in the gateway of Tally, you can see one report called deactivated ledger report. So if you click on this report, it will show you something like this, right guys? So far there's no ledger deactivated so far here. And if you want to if you take the example here this time, I suppose if I go to my sales invoice here, I'll put the invoice number here, and for example, as suppose I don't want to work on this particular company Al-Fateh tools, right? So what I will do here guys, I have to deactivate this item, I have to deactivate this particular ledger from here. So what I will do, I will just simply go to accounts, ledger, alter, and I'll choose this particular company from here. And when you open this company here in the alteration mode, so guys, you can see in the next to the notes option, there's some fields called status, type, and reason. So what you can do, you can simply just click on disable here, disable the particular ledger, and you can just mention the reason that maybe in the future you want to know that why you disable this ledger. As suppose I will mention this, or your ledger don't want to business again, right guys? So I have prepared this, I have just mentioned some details for the particular ledger, and I'm going to save it here. So when I click on save here, if I go back to my report here, take the ledger report, you can see guys, that particular ledger is coming here because that is deactivated now, right? And if I go back to my accounting voucher here, sales, and if I try to choose that particular party name, it was Al-Fateh something guys, it's not showing here, you can see from the list. So it's hidden from the list, it's deactivated from the list because I have used this TDL, right guys? So I suppose I have another one more ledger here. I suppose Abu Dhabi precast something, right? I want to deactivate this ledger also. I will open this ledger as the alteration mode and click on disable and put my reason here and click on save here. So guys, if you can see, it is not available here again, right? And if I go back to my list, it's coming here. And again, if you want to activate this ledger, please press Control Enter here, and you can simply click Enable, Control A, And if I go back to my sales invoice, voucher F8 sales, and if I choose the party name, you can see guys, Alpha Tech Tools is back. So I hope this TDL is very good for you in your business. In the same way, I have created one more TDL that can like deactivate and activate your items as well. As suppose in inventory information, I have stock items and alter, and if I choose, as suppose this boot plug is there, 0.5 boot plug is there, I want to deactivate this item. So what I will do, I will just simply go to my TDL, I'll copy the path, deactivate stock items, properties, security, object name, copy, and I press Ctrl Alt T here, press F4, and then I will load this TDL here as well. So guys, I have loaded TDL here as well, and if you go to Gateway of Tally, right, and you can see here deactivated items report. So far there's no item because nothing is deactivated, right? So what I will do, I will go back to my accounts, inventory, stock item, alter, and suppose guys, I want to just disable this item 0.5 boot plug, but before that I will show you in my stock items as well. As suppose if I go to my sales invoice, I put the item account details, party name, sale ledger, and I want to just hide this particular boot plug from here. It's visible, right? So what I will do, press Control Enter here in the alteration mode. It will ask me, do you want to deactivate this particular must? I said yes, please deactivate. What is the date? What is the reason? I put my reason here, press Control A guys, and if I go back to my item, say guys, this item is lost from here because I have used the TDL, I have deactivated this item here. And if I go back to my reports, say guys, deactivate item reports, this particular item is available here. And if you want to like enable again, you can press simply as enter on this particular item here, and you can click on deactivate, press no here, and go. See guys, this is gone from here. If I go back to my items here, sales invoice here, go to particular item, particular ledger here, then sale ledger here, then if you change the item is here again, right guys? So I hope guys this particular TDL is going to helpful in your Tally operations, and if you feel that something is missing in this particular TDL, you can ask me again. I will help you out to add those things. So friends, if you need this customized TDL, please ask me in my comment box, and we will send you this free TDL as we request. Thank you very much guys. Please subscribe our channel and stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you.